Boys, you know what I'm saying? I'm on 8 Mile right now. This regular mode, you know what I'm saying? I ain't even got this motherfucking sport. This regular mode. See, like, it's not terrible when it's in regular mode, but, you know, this a 5.7, you know what I'm saying? Like, this ain't nothing crazy, you know, but, like, it's just, like, having sport mode on these kind of cars, bro, it give it that torquey, it give it that feeling like you in a performance car, you know what I'm saying? Like, you just not in a regular V8, you know what I'm saying? Because a 5.7, I honestly do feel like a regular average V8. You know what I'm saying? They fast, they loud, they get up. I prefer a 5.7 over any other V8. But I'm like, you know, besides like 392s and shit like that. But I'm just saying, like, a V8 is a V8. You know what I'm saying? But when this bitch sport mode activated, boy, it's like a different. It's like, you know how the 300S, because this is 300C. You know how the 300S, you know what I'm saying, got the sports modes and shit. This got sport mode and it's a 300C, and they got the SRT pages, so it's like a whole different, you know what I'm saying, it's like a whole different beast. And I gotta get over it, because what the fuck is they doing? I just don't want to get no tickets or nothing like that, bruh. You got people staring at me and shit. You see how it's revving? You see how I'm driving at a consistent pace? But it's the RPMs is so high because it's ready for me to. Like, that's the throttle sensitivity. I ain't got no pedal commanders, no nothing. Like, this bitch just riding, like, you feel me? Bitch riding smooth as hell. Alright, after they finna slow down. After they, like, make their turn, I'm gonna hit it a little bit. Yeah, it sound good. I'm just getting hot as hell in this motherfucker, boy. 300 be blowing out fucking fire, dog. Like, what the fuck? I want to make these videos longer, but see, the thing is, I be, you know what I'm saying, I be editing my videos, bro, because I be liking my videos to be entertaining. I want to cut out a lot of the bullshit, so I don't be, feel me, posting the whole thing. So, but eventually we gonna get there, you know what I'm saying? Once my channel get a little big, you feel me? Once my channel get rocking, get a little bit of freeway action. I could gun this bitch a little bit now that I'm on the way on the freeway. Yeah, ain't nobody cutting me. Alright, bet. Nobody stopping me from getting on. Motherfucker sounds so good. Cutting up on a freeway video. Ooh. Ooh. I'm going 88. Let me chill. Sheesh. Alright, y'all boys, man. I'm finna get to this shop and I'm gonna tap back in with y'all. Alright, you know what I'm saying? This is just a quick little short video, you know what I'm saying? Driving with traction off sport mode, you know what I'm saying? That 300C SRT, you know what I'm saying? Already.
One of them broke ass bitches stole my charger. Ooh, I forgot I was recording. Don't fucking front, I already messed up. Come on.
This bitch ain't spinning as bad as I thought it would. Traction all the way off, sport mode, activated.
If you use this video, put some music over. I'll cuss like 90 times.
I don't care. This ain't going on YouTube more than I don't think it is. And if it is going on YouTube, it ain't like I get paid for that anyway. You know what I'm saying? I cut some of my videos too. felt that shit, didn't you?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna turn traction back on. I ain't gonna lie, so I can do this bitch. What the fuck? Oh shit. Oh, we not stopping right there. We turning right here. Oh, I got traction on. Rookie mistake, bro. How the fuck did I do that? I never make a mistake and forget to turn traction on. This bitch official.